Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to download and install GTA 4. So from your Steam, you tap on the store and in here you just look for the GTA Theft Auto 4. There you go, and just tap here add to cart and you can start purchasing this one. Then you can now go to your library and play the game. However, if you don't want to use your Steam account, you can go to any browser that's available on your PC. So we're gonna search for the Rockstar games, and then here tap on the first one, and then from the search bar you can tap games, and then there you just find there the game, which is Grand here. So Grand Theft Auto 4. All you have to do is just to tap buy now, and you can now buy this by tapping that yellow box or PC buy now, and then you can just fill in the information and then sign in with the social club, and then you're gonna create a new account in here. And then once you have your new account, just go on continue, click next, and then you'd be able now to download this from your PC. So you can just go on the search bar, search for the Rockstar games, and it will show up and be able to now download this from your PC. So once it's done downloading, you may now start playing the game. So that's it, friends. So please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.